Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable data analysis in Excel. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. By default, the Excel Data Analysis tool is disabled. If you go to the Data tab in the ribbon, you will see there is no Data Analysis option. First, open Excel and go to the top left corner and click on File. Now select Options from the bottom of the menu. This will open the Excel Options window. Inside Excel Options, click on Add-ins. On the right side, look for the Manage drop-down at the bottom and make sure Excel Add-ins is selected. After that, click Go. A new window will appear. Check the box next to Analysis ToolPak. Now, click OK. Once you do that, the Data Analysis button will appear under the Data tab in the ribbon. And that's it. You've successfully enabled data analysis in Excel. If this video helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.